Hello everyone, this is Vamsi, and today's video I am going to unbox my new electronics kit. I got this at exactly 9 o'clock today morning. Let's open it. I already opened it just now, but I did not see the components. Its package is average. Let's open it. The package is not good. We got two boxes and a breadboard. And we got something to cards. Let's open the breadboard. This breadboard is 830 holes. We have two set plaster here, but we are not going to use it. Inside of them we can see something shining. It is the copper places. Let's open this box first. That's it. We have these many components in this single box. We have 555 timer, op amp, counter, we have a buzzer, some other components, we have some ICs, buttons, MOSFETs and other things. We also have an LDR. We have these wires, LED lights. We also have some IR lights which release infrared rays. Here we have a HW battery, two motors, two speakers, and a battery connector and resistors. We also have diodes. This is a normal diode, this is Zener diode. Let's open the second box. Here we have resistors. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 types of resistors we have in this packet. Let's open this first. Here we have these transistors. Totally 5 types. We also got capacitors, 12 types. This kit cost 650 rupees and we got this. This is very reasonable price.